Hello travelers, so today I'll do just a really quick video comparing the Tenba BYOB 7 insert and the Tenba BYOB 9 insert. So this is the smallest one that they have available, and I did a previous review on it. You can click just up here to see the link to that one. I bought this one with the pack light bag, so that's this one here, and I found that to be really perfect size just for like a lightweight camera kit, and it fits into this bag here, and I found this bag to be really useful while traveling around as a sort of a day bag. I did just want to compare these two sizes because I originally bought this one with the intention of only using 1 to 2 lenses. So this bag here, as you can see, it's not a huge bag, but it does fit my Olympus and also previously my Sony a6400 with a similar sized lens, which was the Sigma 16mm, which was about the same size as this. And so they both fit into this bag, and you also get just a little bit of extra room down the side as well. So I'll just briefly show you that. I've got it set up so I can pop it in here like this, and that also still zips up nicely. It is slightly a bit of a tight fit, but it does keep it padded, and it keeps it very nice and secure. So the great thing about this is that I can keep the 12 to 40 lens on here, and then I can also actually pop a lens down into the side here. So I'll just show you an example. So I could fit either a zoom lens like this one here, which is the 40 to 150 from Olympus. That fits nicely, as you can see, just down the side here. And I can still pop the camera in and still zip it up. So that's a nice little camera kit. The BYOB 7 fits the a small mirrorless camera with 1 lens attached and up to probably 1 big lens or possibly 2 smaller pancake lenses. And I can just grab that out when I'm ready. And I have my second lens here for if I do want to change lenses. Now often I just slip an extra battery also in there with the lens, or I could even put it just down the side here. Now just as an example, I also have the Olympus 45mm 1.8, and that one also fits quite nicely just down the side. So you could fit like 1 camera and then 1 prime lens as well in this example. And just one more example is I have the Laowa 7.5mm, which is a very similar size, and that also fits very nicely down the side, with also the camera in the bag. So it is difficult to fit more than 1 extra lens in this one, given the size and everything, but you can fit up to a 40 to 150, which is the smaller, lighter version. So this is quite a good size. If you're planning to do like a compact camera kit, I do recommend this one as it's a really great compact size, and it's quite lightweight on its own without anything in it. So if you do want to carry a couple more lenses, I have been able to fit all of the lenses into the BYOB insert 9, which is this one here. So this one I've actually used the 2 flaps here, as you can see, to form sort of 2 little shelves. So in this case, I can actually fit the 40 to 150 down here, as well as one of the primes. I can also fit it just under this little shelf here. So in the same way as the previous one, I just made a little shelf here with some space. This is where I'd put the camera when I'm not using it. So I'll just show you an example of how I would pack this one. This is the 40 to 150, it slides just down the side. Bit of a tight fit, but as you can see, it does fit nicely in there. And then that little shelf just folds on top. So that gives me room to pop the 45mm or even the Laowa if I wanted to. And then again, that folds down and gives a little protection. And this little shelf here I could use for batteries or wrist straps. Of course, this little extra space down here gives me a little extra room so I could pop my other prime lens in here. So I'll just pop that in there like so. And then with this lens attached, I can just kind of pop it in the space there. As you can see, that fits quite nicely, and it's quite easy to zip up too. It's not quite as tight as the other one. So that's the BYOB 9 with all of my lenses. So that's 3 extra lenses plus 1 lens attached. It's really nice and still quite compact. Not a huge amount of difference in size. As you can see, it's not quite that much difference. It's not quite double the size, but probably 1.5 times or 1.3 times the size. But a very nice bag, and I definitely recommend checking them out if you are in the market for building a little lightweight camera kit. It's really nice just to pop this into your backpack, and then once you arrive at the destination, you can pull out your pack light sling bag and then pop it in there and have like a really nice, super lightweight camera kit. So I'll just show you how I unpack this one. Once again, the lens is attached here. I can just reach down the side and grab my ultra wide angle if I want to. And then got a spare battery here. And I got a little shelf here with my other prime, 45mm. And if I did want to get the zoom out, I can just grab down the side and pull that one out. So there you go, it's just a really quick look at the differences between these two bags. It's amazing how just a little bit extra room in terms of height and slightly in terms of size gives you so much more room to fit the extra lenses. These are really great bags for setting up your ultralight camera kit, and I'd definitely recommend checking them out. I've put the links in the description and in the comment section if you do want to check those ones out. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know down in the comments what is your camera carry kit, or even if you do carry camera, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.